Here I have LG Q7 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen right here. Let's find and select the settings. Right here you need to scroll down and choose the lock screen and security. It's under General tab. Select here fingerprints, read the information and tap next. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up the second method, some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. You can also require pattern to turn on the device, or you can choose no thanks. Tap next, let's draw your unlock pattern. Tap next again, let's draw it again, choose confirm. Alright, now we have to choose some kind of the notification. It could be show all notification, it could be hide a sensitive one or hide all notifications. In my case, let me just hide the sensitive one, tap OK. Now you need to scan your fingerprint, so let me do it. The fingerprint scanner is right here at the back of the device, and you have to start tapping the following scanner just to save the whole fingerprint. You need to lift your finger slightly and place a different part of your finger. Fingerprint added successfully. Now you can add more fingerprints, or you can just choose OK right here. Now just to lock your device you can use power key, and to unlock your phone you can use the fingerprint or your pattern. This is my pattern, and now let me do it by using the fingerprint. As simple as that. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.